We just hit our first 10K month in the agency and it feels like nothing. So I'm gonna explain in this video kind of what it feels like to hit 10K a month, where our business is actually at 10K a month, what it looks like, what it feels like, how it operates, and why 10K a month is not what you think it is. So first I'll start off with what the state of the business is at 10K a month. So right now, we've pretty much been able to create a reliable appointment booking system that we've been executing on, which has allowed us to feed our sales engine. Sales was never our constraint in the agency at any point. It was really just lead generation, appointment booking. But now that we were able to push hella volume through that channel, we are booking calls through Meta, cold email, cold SMS, and it's going great. We're able to, get those calls to show with some simple go high level workflows and everything like that. But our constraint, semi-constraint, to having a scalable business, at least not maximizing front end revenue, is our onboarding flow. So we do done for you meta ads and go high level instant lead response, and we charge them $50 per lead. So basically what we've been running into in the short term, and when we've been able to really scale up volume for the agency, is getting them onboarding fast enough, because that's going to affect our churn. That's going to affect the customer experience that we don't want, new customers going through. And we found that we're just running into these gotchas, like your customer needs to give you access to the ad manager. If they don't have an ad manager, then that wasn't a part of our SOP, our booking flow, our Loom videos for our onboarding. So now I'm having to go back to these clients who thought they were onboarded and say, you gotta make something in your ad manager if you didn't have one, and all this. So the customer journey and experience past getting them, cash collected is still pretty rocky. We've successfully onboarded one client, but it was super high touch. So I just need to edit the funnel and the entire workflow for onboarding, which isn't too hard, but it's not like you're at 10K a month and you have this great business. It's kind of what I'm trying to get across. It's like you don't even have time to think about how cool that you thought it was going to be. It just feels like nothing, and that's to be expected across the board. But yeah, 10K a month is where it just begins. And I'm trying to see if I'm missing anything else, but yeah, that's kind of how I'm feeling. This is like really nothing, and at least we're just one step closer to another day solving another bottleneck and 50K a month. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to join Iron Operators, the free school community, first link in the description, and you have a good one.